The final thing we could do, and maybe you want to know about this simply for extra credit, is that Excel has a very nice charting function so that if you wanted to make charts or graphs, you could do that utilizing the data from an Excel spreadsheet. And to find the charting functions, you would go up into the, let's see, it's the insert. I think it's in the insert tab. And yes, over here are the different kind of charts that you could have Excel do. You could do a pie chart, you can do a line chart, you can do a column chart, bar chart. All of these have, different utility to you depending on what you're trying to illustrate. Let's actually do a chart or two. And as an example, suppose we wanted to do a pie chart of all the assets. So we have four different assets, and we would highlight those four assets. Simply click on the mouse on the first cell and drag it down, and go over to the pie chart and click on the pie chart, and there's the chart. It appears. Now you can move this around on your spreadsheet and resize it. I think it's a little bit big, so let's shrink it down and tuck it away on the side over here, and we have a nice little chart. And let's put a label. We could say breakdown of assets. And what we're seeing is that each asset is represented here in the pie chart. 975 for the big paycheck, 900 for the smaller paycheck, and the interest and the lottery income are these small little wedges over here. Suppose you wanted to compare your total assets against your total liabilities. Well, let's highlight those two. And what kind of chart do we want to do there? Well, let's go up into chart. Let's do a column chart, and let's make it like that. And there we go. We have our assets and our liabilities. This is also a little too big, so let's shrink that down. And you know what? Why don't we try to make it the same size as the other chart? There we go. And let's put a label of that. Assets versus liabilities. We could also call it income and expenses. And click on that. And so we have now two nice little charts. The addition of charts makes it very easy to graphically understand what's happening in the spreadsheet. So very often it's a convenient way of providing an instantaneous feedback and an impression as to what's going on, and makes it much easier for the spreadsheet reader to interpret the results. Okay, with that, have a good one and take care. Bye.